In today's digital age, project management tools are essential for keeping tasks organized and teams aligned. Three popular options are Notion, ClickUp, and Coda. Each has its unique strengths and features, which we'll compare in this video. We'll look at features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which tool might be the best fit for you or your team. Both Notion and Coda offer document creation, task management, and databases. However, Notion has a more robust database feature, while Coda excels in document creation. ClickUp, on the other hand, shines in task management with its powerful to-do list functionality and time tracking features. It also includes goal tracking, which is missing in Notion and Coda. However, it lacks robust document creation and database features. With regards to pricing, all three platforms offer free versions. Notion's paid plans start at $4 per month, ClickUp's at $5, and Coda's at $10. Coda's pricing is higher, but it offers unlimited docs and automation. ClickUp provides unlimited tasks and integrations even in its free version. Notion, while cheaper, limits some features like version history and file uploads in its free version. In terms of user experience, Notion's minimalistic design is easy on the eyes, but its interface can be quite complex for beginners. ClickUp has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features, but it offers a more customizable interface. Coda offers a simpler, cleaner interface, making it user-friendly, especially for those with no coding experience. When it comes to integrations, ClickUp takes the lead with over 1,000 integrations, including popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and GitHub. Notion supports fewer integrations, but includes important ones like Google Calendar and Evernote. Coda, while it has fewer integrations compared to ClickUp, supports powerful options like Gmail, Slack, and Zapier. Performance-wise, all three platforms are reliable and responsive. In terms of security, they all offer two-factor authentication and encryption. ClickUp and Coda are SOC Type 2 compliant, while Notion is in the process of obtaining this certification. ClickUp also offers HIPAA compliance, which is a plus for medical companies. All three platforms offer support via email and have extensive help centers. ClickUp also offers 24/7 support and live chat, which gives it an edge. In terms of scalability, all three platforms can handle growing teams and increasing data. However, ClickUp's extensive features and integrations make it more adaptable to larger teams and complex projects. The winner in this comparison is ClickUp. It excels in task management, offers the most integrations, and is the most scalable for larger teams. Its robust feature set and 24/7 support are also key advantages. While it may have a steeper learning curve, its customization options can cater to a variety of workflows and team sizes. Thank you for watching this comparison of Notion, ClickUp, and Coda. We hope it has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this. We appreciate your support.